Hey there YouTube, I hope you can hear me over this extremely loud Generac generator. It's LP5500, runs off gas vapor from liquid propane. Most generators, you should buy aftermarket kits for them that allow you to have an adapter to operate LP gas. Sorry, I've got some people walking in front of me here. Kind of a convenient feature if you have a big propane tank at your house for your gas logs, your range, or your HVAC system. Hook that thing in, run for weeks on weeks without having to have refuel. So we'll walk up to it and figure I'll tell you a little bit about it. So here's the running noise, extremely loud. It's not practical for tailgating, something like that, like the Honda would be, but good for emergency power at the house. Set it away in the back corner, don't have to worry about it. Probably still hear it through the walls though. One thing I do like about that one, it's got the nice set of wheels on it, handle, even the fuel cell, it's all portable, pretty easy to maneuver. It folds over in front of it, so it's compact for storage in the garage, probably put it on your workbench, something like that. So, thanks for watching. Please take the time to log into YouTube, subscribe to my channel. If you enjoyed the video, also give it a thumbs up and share with your friends.